Hello, head judges. Congratulations on getting selected to do a few more things online with me. Again, we're going to go into the assignments to get to your JFR. The view has changed somewhat. Now you actually have radio selectors and buttons. So if your checkbox says your head judge, this is your view. It will still do all the same things that you need for category judging. And then at the end of the interviews, when you enter deliberation, you will be entering the first, second, third place awards. And this number up here tells you how many of each you are allowed to give. It will not let you do more than the number that are there. It will basically clear out the others you did if you went too far. And then you can basically start it over, or you can do the reset and it will blank it out for you. You do want to make sure you hit refresh once all your judges tell you they have entered their category scores. And for this, you're going to be doing nominations from regional fairs and from the state fair too, for that matter. You'll be doing nominations for ISEF. So in order to nominate a project for ISEF, they need to get a first place. When you have a combined category that has more than one, it could be that you have two that you feel are really well qualified that both could be selected for ISEF. You also have the opportunity to kind of go however the scores fit with going between the two sets of categories. Because I haven't gone in to test and entered scores, that's why all of these are zeros right now. And then to nominate for state, they also need to have been nominated to receive some kind of other award. Or it will tell you, you need to make sure it was a placed one. And most important down here, you're going to want to both save it. So when you save it, you can clarify with your other judges that they've hit refresh and that they can see that they are in agreement with what you have entered. Or they might notice, well, why is this one not nominated for state? In which case you can still click that on and we can add that one, because state, we don't tell you how many you can do. We take care of that up after the fair. And again, save. And then when everybody is in agreement, you click set final. And it will say, this is what you've turned in, sorry. You're going to have, once you've hit this point where you've set it to final, let me know, because I'm actually judge coordinator for two of these regional fairs that are both virtual as well as for NWSC. We will have people checking up with you, our judge coordinators, to make sure you've got this all entered. For live fairs, it's that same thing. You're going to be using this tool to enter your final head judge as the head judge, the final scores, and then we will check in with you to make sure that you have clicked the set complete, because that's what sends this into data entry for us to finish the process with the fair. And I feel like my directions have gotten a lot more succinct now, so hopefully they made sense. As a head judge, you do not need to contact the other judges in your groups unless you desire to in advance, but it is not a requirement. If you have not heard from a judge or can't tell if someone has been judging, you can check with me and I can look to see if they've started entering scores. And that is the end of this head judge training. I wish you luck, and please do ask for any help as needed. Thank you.